Guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the team. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are diving in and we are looking at the top things that I wish I would have known before I started swing trading. Now, for those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Carter and I've been a full-time swing trader for over 5 years. Now with that being said, I've learned a whole bunch of things about swing trading and that's what I really want to share with you guys in today's video. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading, I just released a brand new swing trading course and you guys can use code YouTube to get 20% off. We talk about my psychology, my strategy, how I find stocks, and all of that great opportunities. So I'll put that down below and you guys can check it out. But guys, I hope you guys enjoy this one. Let's jump into it. Let's go. Now, for those of you that don't know what swing trading is, well, swing trading in general is when you buy a stock, you hold it for more than a day, but less than a year. On average, I hold my swing trades for about 2 weeks, but if you buy and sell a stock during the same trading day, that's considered a day trade. Now, when you buy a stock and you hold it for more than a year, that's considered a long-term investment. Both of those have all different types of strategies and mindsets that are way different than swing trading. So now that we kind of understand what swing trading is, now let's talk about the top things that I've learned after swing trading full-time for over 5 years. All right, so the first thing that I would recommend understanding and knowing is it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. A lot of people have this mindset and psychology that when you trade your money, no matter what, when you buy a stock, it's only gonna go up. And that couldn't be further from the truth. Over 90% of swing traders actually fail, which is incredible. But one of the reasons I think they fail is they don't treat it like a job. And with that being said, you have to have this mindset of how long does it take a doctor to become a doctor or an engineer to become an engineer? You know, it takes years of practice, education, and honestly, swing trading is the exact same thing. You have to practice. You have to have hard work. You have to understand what you're doing. You have to trade quality over quantity. And it's just super, super important that you understand that this is going to take a long time. It could take easily over 2-3 years before you guys even see some profits. The second thing that you must know about swing trading is paper trade, paper trade, paper trade, paper trade. A lot of people love to just fund their account and just start messing around swing trading. And honestly, yes, if you want to do that for a hobby, that's great. But if you actually want to make money off of swing trading, I wouldn't even recommend funding your account for over 1 year. And I know you're saying right now, Carter, how can I make any money if my account's not funded? Hey, you need to understand that this is a career and this is a long-term goal is to make money swing trading. But in the meantime, what you need to do is open a paper trading account. A paper trading account is just a simulated account that allows you to make a strategy, learn how to find stocks, practice your charting skills, practice your risk management, your entries, your exits, all that stuff that makes up your strategy, you need to practice. And that's how you do it, is by paper trading in a simulator. Now, the one that I would recommend is Moomoo. It's completely free to use. They have great charts, they have great studies, and they have a whole bunch of AI tools that help you. All right, the third thing that you must know about swing trading isn't about making money, it's actually about keeping your money. And this comes down to risk management. Like I said, risk management isn't about making money, it's actually about keeping your money. So what I would recommend with risk management skills and what I would recommend doing is understand your stop loss, understand where your profit is, and your entry. You never want to risk more than 2% of your portfolio in any given trade. If you do that, if you risk more, yes, you can possibly make more money, but overall, over the course of the long run, if you're not a successful or smart trader, you're gonna lose money. And that's where it comes down to education. Understanding that 1% compounded for years adds up to a ton of money. You need to understand that swing trading is risky and you have to have proper risk management skills before you execute your trade. The fourth thing you must know about swing trading comes down to emotions. Personally, I think emotions makes up over 80% of swing trading. And the reason why I say that is because when you lose money, we all lose money. Every single trader or swing trader has lost money some point in their career. It's almost guaranteed. Now, what a smart trader does is understand what they could have improved on, what went wrong, retested that strategy, went back and did their due diligence, all that stuff to make up that trade and see, okay, I could have cut my losses here, I could have took profit here. But what a not so smart trader does is once they lose money, they have the emotion of trying to get it back. If you're thinking that, you're already in the wrong headspace when it comes to swing trading, because emotions are super heavy with trading because it's your hard-earned cash, it's your capital, it's your money. So when you think a trade's gonna go up 1,000%, you need to understand that I've never lost money taking profit. You know, a lot of people like to say, Carter, you could have made more money if you just held. Yes, I could have, but also I've never lost money taking profit. And with that being said, I've also seen trades where I've taken profit and then within the next day, 2 days, 3 days, we've seen some sell-off, and I'm super thankful that I did. And that comes down to understanding where you're taking profit. So emotions are super important to understand and master. The next thing you guys must know about swing trading is understanding kind of what's going on with the stock. Is there any news coming out? Is there any earnings coming up? Because earnings fluctuate the stock so much. Here's a clear example of recently Google's earnings where the stock actually got obliterated. Now, if you guys were in a swing trade on this, you could have lost a ton of money, but if you would have understand that you don't trade during earnings like I don't, you wouldn't have even taken the trade. So it's super important to understand what's going on inside the company before you guys take trades. And the last thing you must know about swing trading is you always need to learn. If you're not learning, you're honestly not improving and the market's gonna take you out. Almost guaranteed. Like I said, 90% of swing traders actually fail. And with that being said, of those 10%, do you guys think those 10% stop learning, stop paper trading, stop reading books, taking courses? No, they constantly learn. And that's super important because the market changes. Do you think your mindset, your strategy should change? Yes. At the end of the day, the market's changing and your strategy needs to match it. So guys, constantly learn, and I definitely see a swing trader future in my hands. But if you guys want to check out my course where we talk about swing trading, I'll put it down below, and don't forget to use code YouTube for 20% off. But we'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. We'll see you guys later. Have a good one.